Going to Frankfurt, Lufthansa 456 Heavy. So I'm on the other side of the airport. Oh well, I'm letting like cloud show time. And there it goes to Frankfurt, back to Dutchland. Going back to London Heathrow. Speedbird 282 Heavy. No, this is the Oslo flight pushing back. The second flight coming in like 10 minutes is Gatwick. Pushing back for Oslo, Norway. Norse Atlantic. Tail to the north. He's coming to us. Yes. First time ever filming this airline. This is a brand new airline. It just started like 3 months ago. Brand new long haul airline. Subsidiary of British. Remote control pushbacks would be really cool. Oh, what airplane is that? King Salmon. Alaska King Salmon livery and pushing back for Oslo, Norway. Norse Atlantic Airways.
There's a DC, I think that's an 11, MD11.
MD11, but it's gonna go Alpha 8. They never...
I think that came in where? From what, Memphis?
Yeah, probably. Memphis or Anchorage.
Memphis or Louisville.
American 777-200 going to Dallas. Disappears into the clouds. Alaska Star Wars livery. Disappearing into the clouds. Unfortunately, there's too much cloud cover today. Has Norse Atlantic departed yet? Virgin Atlantic on the...
It's Airbus A350.
Yeah, coming to us. I'm surprised this gate was on the north. Norse Atlantic Airways departing for Oslo, Norway. To Oslo, Norway. Emirates A380 216 Super pushing back for its 16-hour and 30-minute flight to Dubai. Tail to the south. He could make a U-turn and come here to us. We shall see. It did look like they put a lot of cargo into the King. We'll find out shortly. We will find out shortly. Hawaiian.
That was the Qantas A330 coming in from Brisbane.
It looks like Hawaiian to me, but I could. Yeah, it's Hawaiian. Yeah, doesn't Qantas normally land around this time?
Qantas
A330, yeah. Now arriving from Melbourne? Melbourne. Qantas 787 Dreamliner.
That's one of my favorite airlines.
Yeah, I like them too. Flying Kangaroo. Sydney and Melbourne are on my bucket list, but it's a 16-hour flight, so.
Like them, I like Singapore.
Same, I love Singapore.
Can't take the Civic trip.
Yeah. I was here all day and I did not see a single Singapore. I thought they had a Tokyo flight in the morning. It was the A330. They put the Dreamliner in place of the A330. Normally this flight is A330 to Los Angeles, but the Dreamliner, I guess, has longer range, so yeah. And it's more fuel efficient too. But I mean, the Neo's great. Hawaiian Airlines arriving in from Honolulu A330NEO.
Yeah, that's take off now.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah. I can't wait to see the Hawaiian Airlines Dreamliner next year. That should be a really good looking airplane. I hope it comes to Los Angeles. Well, they'll probably send it Boston, Kennedy, Chicago, LA, hopefully.
Let's see.
No, he's just bypassing the Asiana. He's not turning to us. He can't turn to us because Qantas is there. Or he might go down Lima, Taxiway Bravo, and then make a left and come back up on Mike. If he does that, I'll be pleased. Air Canada Dreamliner to Halifax. I think it's a new route, LA to Halifax. Virgin Atlantic A350-1000 departing to London Heathrow. A light bird today. Light. That was a good takeoff. Oh, that was a good takeoff. The Germans pushing back from Los Angeles, hottest club of Los, as Condor pushes KLM to Amsterdam. Schiphol. Let's try this again. Condor A330NEO pushing back for Frankfurt in Dutchland. Asiana being towed to the park remote stand for its to get maintenance and cleaned before its late night red eye back to Korea. I'm good. Flying out to Dubai, Emirates EK216 Super. Let's see if it breaks the clouds. Break the clouds. Please. It's gone. Oh, it's not. No.
Caught it in the clouds.
Oh well. China Airlines, no, China Southern Cargo going to Anchorage. It's like you can hear it, no problem, but it's too much clouds. Right? You can hear it, no problem, but there's too much clouds. Bummer. Oh, yes, please go on. No, 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 no. Another queen on Alpha 8. Anna. On the other side of the airport, the Lufthansa A340 from Frankfurt. Spirit departing. Lufthansa A340 from Frankfurt. As that goes, Spirit departing. Unfortunately, this is the best I can do, but here goes British to London Heathrow.
Hey, there goes British.
Yeah, to 777-300 to London Heathrow. That's the best I can do, there's no... Yeah. The best part about 5 o'clock hour, all the internationals leave to go back over to Europe. So if you're a plane spotter, come within the 4 to 6 o'clock hour. You get all the internationals. Yes. Yeah. Qantas A330NEO from Brisbane. I can't. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Yeah. But from Brisbane. Brisbane. I can't pronounce it. Yeah, but Hawaiian doesn't to New York, so technically. No, I've seen longer. Brisbane is 1530. Yeah, okay.